under 6. Carlos said yes, yeah.
There we are catch us the oboni die and ebe sum ye my Ghana. Sabiam ye nintra ye ninton. Ye mfaka century. Enkasa nkyerɛ mpani. Enye ne sense sound ne ma sabi ye kasa boanso akayem. Baby empanifo chi ebetwe madwene siso. Baby ya woye niem so ebe o maba so. O man nchikyerɛ ne nkanko eno no. Timaka cho sa Asem Yi Di Ka eni wo sese bi ebebo aban achi nko a. Ene to be adam for to madwene se bia oye the burden of the government. But o man nchikyerɛ nye sese mini mehwe ni fanko a. To be na the papa bi so koso. No atwe manfo adwene siso. So aban ka so be ye ABCD ampede ne kohwe ne waye. Na ye nkranhye de ama won na edi saade nanim. Bede dia kwasinsia Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edruwen. Edra na krata be free Ghana Education Service. Empen phone chain ebe na medikrata na be kirew. Ena na paye na da register free headmaster said that in various public senior high schools no ewa akwanya so metimi ato onwua na atense for a certain period. So krata no NM or see approval to procure essential food items at the school level. With reference to letter number from the Chief Director of the Ministry of Education on the above subject matter, management is pleased to officially communicate the granting of approval by the Office of the President to heads of public senior high schools to procure essential food items needed to feed students for a period of 2 weeks from 20th January to 3rd February 2025. This is an interim measure to improve the feeding situation in the various public second cycle institutions. Consequently, disbursement based on student enrollment and approved cost of feeding each student per day has been made to the schools. The approved rate is 7 cedis 50 pesos and 3 cedis for boarding and day students, respectively. Each school will utilize these funds to procure essential food items available in their localities for the 2 weeks. Similarly, I lead of purely day schools should engage the services of private caterers to provide a hot meal to students at the appropriate rate. Regional directors are kindly requested to bring this to the attention of all heads of public senior high schools. Enti krata na sebo nyina nsa afede abama kwanya se na otwimye ne yedi anum on sika ko headmasters ya omoda aban ento aso school ano na otwimye ne to betimi ato aduane afiri wankasa potamu e de asom adusuafo wonum na eno achi nso yempe ankrankra bi obenu aduane de ama day student a ewo ye various communities no ne papam eye pa say abanisiye because bi mu gidi wo awreshi mu say ene betimi aboa ma enwane akontentem am mo frana nya bi edi. But quick one to your headmasters no. This is not the first time why yes hard way. This is not the first time yes hard way. Now even here a hard dream pies as a career. I think either before or after the swearing of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Time I be told just say in I think after I be told just say in you no one ye din ewo school sa wodro mu na na kufa da ban ko wa nyanwane bia e honom no sabre mam chiro video bi na school beza bi aso anwane agu taxi bi to odi edwane akogu nwuram enwane na si bi no asata na headmasters issue statement wo ho ya ne sound na edi enibre abakrum na some beza storekeepers awie nwane esi bi no honom no e de akwakogu nwuram. This is not the first time. I quite remember, I think last year, somewhere May, some senior high school, the storekeeper, the bezer, and I think one other, I think caterer. Every year school nyane sa. It headmasters, they mamu be because some of the complaints that I'm getting in our HM say, enwane na fani e top free central government want to check edeba mo no and so can be na enwane ntama your schools awodom. So I want to believe say most sua bibi dey free sa sinto na eba ya na mo ye hwe hanma mo manfo ni bi ewie school for nwane no And as part of it, now you're education minister, Honorable Haruna Iddrisu. I wish. Say kayaku enimiya, say duane be yira e wo school mu a, the headmaster no must be held accountable. Not only omu a omu wi anuane ne nko a. Because a part of my request say aban prema mu akasa mu nto nuane. Whatever be wo makasa perception won say any amanfo Asem nye issue e be di akire say. But we don't want to believe say ebeye nokore. Esa ka so me dia e kan wasemi e ke achi ani achi headmaster so aka ho. Se ne be ya ene de ho betimi aba. Na ban tonko so nyi sika nto nuane fama ya mofra na nipa bone fo nim na ma kire enua nuane ko won fie. Ni esu ni e kam sa duane ye de ma ya mofra no enye no because aban ansese sika ni ye. But nipa bone fo bia wo ye school sahoduru mu. Hwe we nyina ye tin tomatoes so. Eni apake ne saa no. Tin tomatoes ni apake ne saa no. Kwabraniama sabram se na headmasters e de krata ababonte ka che se ennuane ni schools mu. Na headmasters e de krata aba se ennuane e di nnuane e bi ni school mu na kwabrania nya kwan awia bi egu taxi to. Ya wo di dwane. Ya kasa ne ebo man for mo. Ayeye ne ebo man for na ja politicians ne de. O ma kasa na akofo mo abentine no bende. Ka na dia from. Ba se the real quote criminals ne wo ye system no. But them politics be a to so abentina if he say o me ne some of the challenges. Oh, how ni o wona kasa ye me no mienu. Ye nya kwanya ye sum ye man. Ye nipa bone sem ya dwemfi ya ye di esum man no e na bo man ne fom. Na se ba akufo timi sesa caravan ba aku seya. Enwane se na ban be kosku mu a e be so ndisuafo no. Enwane se. Tima kan so chance. Muna mo lead this call. And na ban se na otwi mi no de amam na I know say eko e beto aso saa. I wish the education minister be kan omo nhihye won say tin tomato ba kompo kura be yire free school no, the headmaster will be held accountable. Sene man penity kan no be ya de wasante man pebo man penity no. You can't be a headmaster. Ya penfo e hye wase enu be se 120 na aka jem so ntimi supervisor mu nyina. No, it can't happen. Na afa yen court nso ni diem. Some of these cases ni bia che wo court wo. Some of these cases no e bia che e wo court wo no. Because say timi obi a set scapegoat e ma ye elisuama afoforo. His car ban so they call 3 cities 50 3 cities and I say 7 cities 50 pesos. Ni nyina em kwese ye konko manage no obi be say wie bi nyame hu ye nyina mabo da bia mka so ma akandefo abadwu oman ho omo nye pesa me nkominya no be hu won nyina ye die me de akwese sia Asem Yi Di Ka ni ebra se de pese mu ebeto aso makra